now the dome is finished, and currently we offer more than 2 colors in terms of the art membrane and the insulation, like dark green and desert yellow. Meanwhile, if you don't fancy a plastic door, a wooden door is also available. You can customize whatever you like with our design. So let's go inside and have a look. I'm quite sure the first impression you got is the space is very wide. I presume no one would ever feel narrow inside. It takes me around, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around 7 steps to walk through its diameter. And obviously, it's a hemisphere, so it got at least 3.5 meters high. And talking about this, you may concern, how can such a big ball to maintain a comfortable temperature? Well, you can almost entirely rely on this insulation. It's made of fabric and aluminium. And even under such a hot weather like 30 Celsius in the later of October, I'm not sweaty at all. And meanwhile, with the glass window and the eco solar fan, accompanied with 2 triangle vents, it keeps vacuuming the dirt air out of the dome constantly. So you may be relieved that cooking inside is absolutely an interesting activity that you can do with your family. Despite its practicability is profound because of the designing simplicity, you can still sense those exquisite textures, especially the curtains. They were set by 2 tracks, very firm but flexible. Just simply unfold them and you can easily enjoy your nap time after lunch. That's the end of the room tour. Well, apparently you can see the decoration is quite simple here, so we are gonna introduce a selection of decorating proposals very soon. If you are interested in it, or you want to know more information about our company, please click like, subscribe and leave a comment with us. See you later.